Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit limit increase request on your app step by step clearly. Open your app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the credit or account section on the screen. Tap on the credit limit option. You should see information about your current credit limit. Next, locate the request increase button or select the request increase option to proceed. A new screen will open with details about the request. Review the eligibility requirements listed. If you meet the criteria, click Continue or Next. You will now need to enter your desired credit limit. Input the amount you wish to request carefully. Provide any additional information requested by the app. This may include your income, employment status, or reason for the request. After filling out the necessary fields, review your information. Ensure all details are correct before submitting the request. Click on the Submit button to finalize your request. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for any further instructions or updates. Your request will be processed, and you'll be notified of the outcome. Allow some time for the review process to complete. If your request is approved, you will see the new credit limit reflected in your account. If denied, consider checking the reasons provided and reapplying later if applicable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.